Hey guys, a video on Netflix, because I forgot to mention something in my last video, and I think that thing is important. You can see under financials and the cash flow statements the amount of stock that Netflix itself as the company is buying back. Okay, this is the Netflix stock itself, and you can see they have been increasing it again here this quarter, 2 billion in buyback. This to me tells, look, they are buying while the price is dipping. They are preparing for this next move up. Okay, that's at least my view on it. And then they will of course sell and take profit once price reaches high level to, for example, raise cash, not cash. Just wanted to show this, and then we can quickly look here at the other numbers as well. Here, free cash flow year on year, but I'm not gonna look at this. We should instead look at this here. It's still stable. Debt to equity ratio. This one dropped a little bit, return on invested capital. And then here, we went higher than previous quarter if you look at the year-on-year growth, but we want to see this increase, okay? We want to see this go towards 20, or at least like beat the previous one. We did what was minimally not required, but it's a good thing that we beat it, even though it's minimally. It would be nicer if we can keep this up, okay? Net income growth. This is also not really something we can look at because it fluctuates a lot depending on when they decide to pay stuff. It's all up to them. So really, nothing else to add here. If you look at the chart, we have dipped, yes, but we are in real oversold territory now on the weekly, on the daily. Getting the exact low is going to be tricky. We are now also just only at the first fib. We have to take the fib from this low to this high. We just touched the 0.236, okay? In theory, if you want to label this as a 1-2, we can go all the way here. It's no problem. It is really no problem. From an Elliott wave and a structural point of view, it is allowed to do that, okay? Of course, I don't know. I don't think it's going to go there. At least we will get a bounce. And then maybe, yep, if the bounce is a 3-wave move, we might, expect this still to happen. But that's our worry for after this push comes, okay? What I did is I did add this swing here as well from the previous all-time high here at 69.94, okay? If we fall from here, this could be another level that we can watch, because for the rest, we don't really have anything. Like this range, we already broke below the point of control, so I'm not gonna add it anymore. Really, this one here is all we got for now, the $81.69 area. And then maybe, here, these ranges start again, but just to have a level, maybe I can add it on the chart, but I don't think it will be anything significant. The swing here will be more significant than what we have here. Maybe this was it. We don't know, okay? But what I'm saying is I'm not too worried. I bought yesterday. Now, like, I added yesterday because I already had bought last week. I bought yesterday again. Now I'm in more losses, but I'm really okay with it. Crucially today, yep, I was talking about here, it's being, grinding and slowing down the price action. Now we have this drop again. But crucially, okay, the day is not closed yet. I hope we can do this on lower volume compared to this one here, okay? At least if it stays red. If it gets green, it can overtake the volume. It's okay, but if it's gonna be red day overall here, we don't want to reach this volume level here, okay? Because if you want to end something here, we have to keep the lower low continuation, or how do you say it? Yeah, the sequence of lower lows, we just need to keep with that, okay? Yeah, and then still you can label this all as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you label this a 1, 2, then here 1, 2, 1, 2, or just a single 1, 2. Your third wave 4, 5, and then now again 4, 5. And that's really it. I don't have any levels. What we can do is, yeah, maybe we can add this point of control here of this range to have an area of potential resistance to the upside and a level that we want to get above. Okay, together with this 618, I need to change it though, because if you want to be bearish, we want to label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will need this wave 4 to happen, and for the bulls, a wave 4 should not hit the 0.618. Maybe I can even pull it from here to be a little bit more conservative, okay, to give a little bit more bearish space here. But with this, if we now move up and hit this, then the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, which would be bearish, will be invalidated, okay? So 107.27. And I have to adjust this if we go lower as well, okay? Hope that makes sense to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.